Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an everyday smoky eye tutorial using the Too Faced chocolate bar palette. If you're new, I'd love for you to join the fam, so hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that we stay notified of when I upload. Everything I use is going to be listed and linked down below. Let's go ahead and get zoomed up and started with this tutorial. So as promised, I am doing a look from the title. As you can tell, the Too Faced chocolate bar palette. This is going to be a daytime work appropriate, church appropriate, any type of daytime non-formal type of makeup. There's no wing liner and no falsies, so you know, if you're in the hurry or if you're pretty skilled at it, you can just go ahead and wing it and throw some lashes on. I try to make my tutorials nice and user-friendly, I guess, if you will, for those of you who are still new to makeup or you've already been wearing makeup but you're kind of in that intermediate stage. I was gonna say immediate stage. You're not a beginner, but you're but you're not a expert at it quite yet. I feel like I'm still intermediate. I don't think I'm expert yet. I'm gonna set my entire eye using this shade right here, which is called White Chocolate. I was gonna say Milk Chocolate, but that's not it. The next shade I'm gonna take is Salted Caramel, which is this shade right here. We're gonna stick that in the crease. And I'm gonna kind of bring it higher above the crease just because I want that color to peek out a little bit. We're gonna sweep it all the way from one end of the eye all the way to the other end of the eye. And this brush, by the way, it is the Colourpop small tapered blending brush, or one of their tapered blending brushes. It doesn't have a name, so I don't know what it is. And the one that I use to set my eye is the Luxie 660 Precision Foundation Brush. A lot of these brushes I got in my Ipsy bag, not the Colourpop one, I got it in a Colourpop order when I got the Yes Please palette, I think. With that same brush, I'm going to use my fake color switch right here. It's just a hair donut little thingy, and I'm going to take the shade Milk Chocolate, which is this one right here. Take that on that same Colourpop brush, and I'm actually going to fit that in the crease, and I'm just going to let my crease kind of hug the bristles. So I'm almost like doing this number right here. I know it's kind of weird. I just really want this focused in the crease. Also, another thing that I'm doing is I'm trying to keep my brush pointed downward. I don't want it to be pointing up. I want it to be pointing down, because if I point it up, it's going to start getting into that salted caramel, and then you're going to lose that warmth up there. Because this Milk Chocolate shade is kind of like a neutral shade. It's not warm and it's not cool toned either. Back to this color switch. I'm going to go into salted caramel just a little bit and go above the crease just to kind of bring that color back in, because I felt like I kind of lost it a little bit. Next brush is the Wet n Wild large eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to take the shade Semi Sweet, which is a cool toned brown right here. I'm just going to start sweeping it all across the lid. One tap, I'm going to go into Triple Fudge, which is this dark brown over here. By the way, these are all matte shades. Let me show you guys what I'm going to do, because I want you to see how I do it. So I'm literally just going to like press my brush in here one time. I didn't swipe it across. I literally just pressed it in there. And we're just going to tap that along the lid and kind of blend it all over the eye. Now take that Colourpop brush, buff those edges out. There's not any additional product, and I don't think I did my little color switch with it either. Using this Ulta angled eyeliner brush. I think they changed it. I don't think they sell this anymore. I think they rebranded or repackaged their brushes or something like that. So I don't know if it's still called an angle eyeliner brush or if they still have that one. I'll link all the brushes and everything that I use down below. We're going to create a eyeliner above the lashes. Help define the eyes a little more. I went ahead and tight lined up here on the upper lash line using my Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in Fishnet. I absolutely love this. It stays and it's just so good. I'm going to probably end up buying a full size of this one. Take some of that Triple Fudge, that dark matte brown, and I kind of do little sweeping motions at first on the inner part of the eye, and then I just start stamping it on there and do little sweeping motions as well. And I'm tapping my brush to get off that excess. You can also do a wing liner with the eyeshadow, because I've done that before in my spring yellow eye makeup tutorial. I did a winged eyeliner using eyeshadow, which I absolutely liked, and I thought about doing it in this video, but I really want it to be like user-friendly. Now I'm gonna do the lower lash line. I'm gonna take this Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush, and what we did to the top we're gonna do to the bottom. Dip back into salted caramel, and I'm just gonna run that on the lower lash line. Okay, and then I go into milk chocolate a little bit, and with these darker shades I always start more towards the outer corner and then I bring it in. I'm going to take semi-sweet with that same tapered brush, just very lightly with semi-sweet. And then on a Luxie 223 short shader, I'm going to go into Triple Fudge, which is that dark matte brown shade. I'm going to basically put that between the lashes and just hug up close to that lash line. I'm not going to add anything on the waterline just because this is going to be a daytime look. If I add anything to the lower lash line and my waterline, it's going to close the eye and make them look smaller, and it's daytime. We want to look awake. I'm just going to use this eyeshadow to kind of help define the eyes, but it's not going to close them, you know what I'm saying, versus like putting a brown or a dark brown eyeliner on the waterline or something black. This just looks more diffused and softer. More softer? I don't know. Did I say that correctly? I'm going to stop right there. I don't want to get it too smoky or anything. We're sticking to daytime. I'm going to go ahead and highlight my brow bone, not my brow. Well, same thing, right? I'm going to take the shade Milk Chocolate, which is the white matte shade, and this is a Ulta eyeshadow, flat eyeshadow brush. This came in a palette. Put that right underneath the brow. That's just going to help lift the brows, you know, we just want to lift everything, you know what I'm saying? Take my little $1 eyelash curler from the Dollar Tree. The mascara I'm going to use today is the Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara, and oh my god, I just love it so much. I love it so much. It's so good. Don't be intimidated by the wand. It's so huge and it pulls out so much product, but don't be scared of that. The only thing I like to take the product off is the very tip of this brush. And it has the plastic bristles, like really small tiny bristles, and it literally like fans out the lashes and gives them volume as well. This is my favorite mascara. I hope it comes in waterproof. I'm gonna check and see if it does, because I'm gonna be sad if they don't have it in waterproof, because I always love waterproof mascaras. I feel like they hold a curl more. To be honest, I feel that because this is a volumizing mascara, it's kind of heavy on the lashes. Once they start drying, they kind of start like falling a little bit. That's like my one ugh about this mascara, but it's just so good. And with waterproof mascaras, those set fairly quickly, so I kind of set my wand in place for a second and then I bring it up nice and slow and kind of keep the wand up there so that way the lashes will like stay in place. And I try to do that with this one as well. And this is literally like one coat of mascara. If the wand of mascara can reach both of my eyes, then it's a winner in my book. In this case, this one does. I can do both eyes with the mascara on the wand. Do you know what I'm saying? I hope this is making sense. I'm going to go in with the Essence Make Me Brow. And this is just the brow gel. I always wait till I'm done with my eye look and then I put my brow gel, because sometimes I'll accidentally forget and I'll put the brow gel and then I try to put like my brow highlight. It kind of disrupts it. So I always wait till I'm done. I'm not going to be putting any highlighter all over the face. You can if you want. But the only highlighter I'm going to apply is going to be the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector, and this is in the shade Opal. It's so pretty and it goes perfect with this look. So this is on an e.l.f. crease brush, so I put some on the brush and I'm going to spray my brush with the Mario Badescu lavender water. Just tuck that right on the inner corner. It's just going to help us look nice and awake, you know what I'm saying? Like, boom, in your face. Like, we're here, we are alert, and ready to go. All right, and then for lips, it's perfect for this look. It's a nice, perfect nude. It is the Wet n Wild Mega Last lipstick in the shade Bare It All. That is it for this look. I absolutely love it. Like, I could wear this look literally every day. This is the second time that I've worn this look. It's totally safe. It's not over the top, and it just looks amazing. Let me know what other looks you want to see from the Too Faced chocolate bar. I know I mentioned in my previous video that I was going to do like maybe a date night or some other type of tutorials. Just to remind you guys, this is what the colors look like. I love hearing you guys' feedback, and You know, just you guys are inspiring me to, you know, start creating more content that you guys want to see. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Lets me know that you're enjoying these videos. Have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.